Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio Pune, your trusted destination for world-class hair restoration solutions in the heart of Maharashtra. The city of Pune has evolved into a modern metropolitan, and so has the demand for premium hair care. At Advanced Hair Studio, we bring you cutting-edge technology and over 50 years of expertise in transforming lives worldwide. Whether you're facing hair thinning, advanced hair loss, or other hair-related concerns, we offer customized FDA-approved procedures, such as our signature strand-by-strand ultimate for amazing hairlines suiting to your age, face, personality, trend, and profession with long-lasting results. Strand-by-strand cosmetic procedure to give you not less than head full of hair and other non-surgical procedures. From personalized consultations to breakthrough non-surgical options like flashpoints and advanced laser therapy, we ensure your hair restoration journey is seamless and hassle-free. And with our exclusive X-Salon services, we cater to all your styling and grooming needs, helping you and your loved ones achieve the perfect and amazing look with a touch of luxury. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure, skilled professionals, and commitment to excellence guarantee results that exceed expectations. Ready for a transformation? Connect with us today and take the first step towards a fuller, youthful head of hair. Advanced Hair Studio Pune, where expertise meets excellence in hair restoration.